Hello and welcome to Advanced Navigation's unboxing video series. At Advanced Navigation, we're dedicated to pioneering high-accuracy navigation and robotics technology for the most demanding applications. Across defense, mining, marine and aerospace, our solutions power critical operations, from autonomous platforms and precise mapping to robust positioning in extreme environments. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to connect to the Boreas over serial RS-232, the default serial configuration. Download the Boreas Manager that can be found in the download section of the Boreas D90 product page. Install the Boreas Manager by following the installation instructions laid out in the Using Boreas Manager monitoring section. Plug in the power supply, connect the I/O breakout cable, and connect the power supply cable to the power socket on the I/O breakout cable. Connect the cable FTDI to the breakout cable labeled primary and select the RS-232 switch option. Plug the USB of the cable FTDI in your computer. Open the Boreas Manager and under Communications select Serial, the COM port that the cable FTDI USB is plugged into, the default baud rate of 115200 baud, and click Connect. At this point, you should be connected to the Boreas D90 over serial RS-232 and can begin configuring and testing your device. Now, here is a step-by-step process to connect to the Boreas over Ethernet. Follow the instructions laid out in the networking section of the Boreas reference manual in order to download and install Apple Bonjour software to support Microsoft Windows. If you are using Linux or Mac OS systems, no additional software is required. When connecting to the device over Ethernet, make sure to use a DHCP router, as the Boreas default configuration is for the DHCP client to be enabled. This makes it a plug-and-play solution for most users. It is possible to change Boreas to a fixed IP address system once a connection has been established. Plug in the power supply, connect the industrial Ethernet cable, connect the I/O breakout cable, and connect the power supply cable to the power socket on the I/O breakout cable. Plug the industrial Ethernet cable into your DHCP router and connect your computer to your DHCP router. Access the web UI via http://boreas.local in your browser. At this point, you should be connected to the Boreas D90 over Ethernet and can begin configuring and testing your device. At Advanced Navigation, we offer comprehensive customer support. Our dedicated engineering support and application experts are readily available to assist you. We pride ourselves on fast response times and hands-on assistance throughout your entire process. Your successful integration is our priority. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions. That concludes our guide to connecting and configuring your Boreas. We hope this video has provided a clear understanding of the steps required for setting you up for success. For more detailed specifications, documentation, or support, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.